until and unless you do not work towards it, आप जितना manifest करना है कर लो, वो होने नहीं वाला. चली रे. I love you. I love you. Okay, bye.
Hi, Mukti. Welcome to Bollywood Live. How is life treating you?
I'm good, Gorika. I'm on cloud 9 with 3 releases, 2 OTT releases, 1 film release. I'm really happy. So grateful.
Yeah. So, Wedding Story, Life Fil Gayi, then 11 11. Can we say that 2024 is already Mukti's year? Can we say that?
You can. Thank you.
So, how was the experience of working in 11 11 and who has been your favorite co-star?
11/11 is a very unique project, if you see, with Sikha Entertainment and Dharmatic coming along with somebody of, somebody who has been in the international film circuit and who has won an Oscar, Guneet Monga, Achin Jain, and somebody like Karan Johar, who's, they are stalwarts of filmmaking, and they are sitting with like the most beautiful script. If they come together, I think there's a unique bond, and something which talks a lot about how collaborative and how beautiful this industry is. And if you look at the fact that they could come up with a concept which is traveling between two timelines, which is solving murder cases. It's a thriller, it's a drama, and
Yeah.
उस world का हिस्सा बनने को मिल रहा है. I think this is, it's a celebration in itself. And I'm so grateful to be a part of it, and also to play a character like Palak Rana. She she is from Uttarakhand. एक इंडिपेंडेंट लड़की है, पहाड़ी है, डांसर है, एक इन्वेस्टिगेटिव कॉप के साथ उसकी शादी होने वाली है. शी इज अ लवर, एंड इन शी इज caught in the middle of crossroads of two very very funny cases which are getting solved and which are unsolved for many years. So एक responsibility भी थी कि because I'm very I don't like to be called as a victim, and I'm you know, and I don't
And you don't look like.
yeah, I was like, how have they chosen me? Because I was like, मैं मतलब from doing stunts to doing dancing to doing everything, I like to take charge myself. And अगर कोई मेरे साथ बदतमीजी करे, मैं तो खुद मार दूँ.
Exactly.
And in the series, because of the nature of the killer, because of the series of torture that he lets that person go through, to go through that. And I remember shooting in मसूरी, केम्प्टी फॉल पे शूट हुआ था. और उस समय वो जो पानी का शोर है और जो रात का सन्नाटा है और जनवरी की मसूरी की जो ठंड है,
हाँ, बहुत.
उसके बीच अगर आपको कोई स्टॉक कर रहा है, आपके प्लास्टिक बैग पीछे से डाल रहा है, आपको मर्डर कर, तो ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ शूटिंग दिस, एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो my death had a certain series of events, and along with that I knew they're going to intercut it with my dance sequence, which had you know something where I wanted to escape. So I think Umesh sir ने भी खुद कहा था कि how he celebrated my death. तो ऐसे कि मैंने ऐसे मतलब मैंने कभी डांस के तौर पर ऐसे कभी दर्शाया नहीं है, दिखाया नहीं है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी ग्लोरियस डेथ दैट यू आर हैविंग. So एक तरीके से I was quite silent and quite grateful that I'm alive. I'm still not met with such horrific incident in my life, and किसी के साथ टचवुड ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. But if people go through that, I closely lived that, and I just felt so grateful that I'm alive, firstly. So I'm also not exaggerating this, क्योंकि कुछ तो वो जो प्लास्टिक बैग मुंह पे रखा, जो पहली सांस आप अंदर लेते हो, उससे when you exhale, there is only carbon dioxide. The second time you inhale, you don't inhale oxygen. You are strangled. Yeah. तो जब उसके वाइड एंगल में लगे तो ऑफ कोर्स एक्टर्स धीरे करते हैं, एक्टिंग करते हैं. बट उसका जब क्लोजअप लगा तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि imagine if this was actually happening with somebody. I was silent on set. and I was so grateful that I'm alive. Yeah,
I think you got back in time, and then
yeah.
it's really tough. I mean, हमें तो कुछ seconds के लिए on screen दिखता है, but we really don't realize that क्या क्या चीजें लगती हैं, and उसके भी कितने takes होते होंगे ना. So it's hats off to all the actors and all the artists, of course. So also, who was the most fun on the sets, or maybe who was the more workaholic on the sets, and you bonded well with?
I was playing a timeline of 1990s. So
Hmm.
me and Dhairya had scenes. Apart from that, I was with my dance group, and I was dancing. And I think Dhairya was running and was doing action sequences, and uh, whatever we shot together was so much fun to
Yeah.
improvise in scenes, and because they were already shooting.
You already had that creative liberty to improvise.
Well, that Umesh sir gave us, because he was like, I want you to form that bond. Are you pally with him? Are you kind of, you push him to kind of, that nobody's looking, we can be together. We are anyways going to get married. So that kind of a thing, which was created, it wasn't there. She was a very feminine, Sharmili ladki on paper. तो धीरे-धीरे उन्होंने वो क्वालिटी देखी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ, लेट्स हैव फन विद इट एंड क्रिएट दैट. एंड शी इज समबडी, शी लिव्स बाय हर वर्ड. शी इज लाइक, I'll if she is scheduling something, she waits for you. She's there for you. But he doesn't come back, and then the whole सीन अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत ही कम सीन थे जो साथ में थे. वो दैट डांस एंड द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ हाउ Raghav introduces the character Palak Rana, to
Hmm.
how through dance and death, and Dhairya's like tormented self because he could not save me.
Yeah.
That unfolding, in timeline in 2016 to actually 1990. So in 3 episodes, that journey was celebrated. So I was very fortunate that एक केस को इस तरीके से sensitively इस समय पे दिखाया, which quite honestly हमारे country में भी there's a lot of unrest. There are many things which are happening.
Hmm.
Old cases are coming back. New cases are being formed. People are feeling unsafe. People are not staying silent about it. They want laws to be changed. So being from Delhi, I've always felt like we're not safe. We're really not safe, no matter
That's
what. So to show what could go wrong, and we are this close to, that wrong, which made me actually see the entire series in a different light because of what's happening in the society. So I'm glad that people are raging about these things, and they are believing that yeah, this happens. जब मैं शूट कर रही थी, I was like, ऐसा कौन करता है? कोई ऐसा, इतना कोई हैवान कैसे हो सकता है कि who can kill like this, and
yeah.
can kill 9 women like that? I was like, why? And I was not able to think about why would any killer do this. But
Hmm.
then you read cases and which are more horrifying. There are 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds, and it's unfortunate, but it's coming at the right time, and people are also open to discuss about these things, which is a very good thing.
Yeah, and also in this, there's a Me Too movement also happening, and in Tamil and Malayalam film industry, people have raised issues regarding harassment at the workplace also. So it is indeed an alarming situation, and we have to, being artists or being journalists, we have to raise our voices. But badlav kab aayega? That is the main question. Moving on, it's 11/11, 11/11. And ये angel number होता है, people do manifest. 11/11 बजते हैं रात को, they just they're like praying, manifesting ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए. So do you also believe in this concept of manifestation, believing in these angel numbers? ऐसा है?
I believe if you have a thought, or if you have a determination that I think this thought has come to me for a reason, until and unless you do not work towards it, आप जितना manifest करना है कर लो, वो होने नहीं वाला.
सही बात है.
So I don't, I don't do like all that, but I definitely feel there are these angel energies around you.
Yeah.
There are these 11 people around you who are, no matter what, they're sticking by you. They're making sure that they make your dream come true. Like in this interview, I have Shraddha. She is with me for many years and she's been an angel. Like that, Neeti Di has been there, who
Yeah.
is she's my fairy godmother. She's my angel. And she has always made me feel like you are as good as your hard work. You're as good as your intention, you know. तो उसके आगे आप मैनिफेस्ट ना भी करो ना, अच्छा ही होगा. तो आई एम इन सेफ हैंड्स एंड आई एम जेन्युइनली only good thoughts and good deeds are going to come from good intent. So बस काम करते रहो, ज्यादा मत सोचो, वरना मैनिफेस्टेशन होती नहीं है.
Also, I mean, all the sisters, क्या मतलब टैलेंट तो कूट कूट कर भरा है सब में इक्वली. बट कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि फैमिली में ही, किसी ने बोल दिया हो कि ओ लुक एट हर, शी इज डूइंग सो मच एंड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, ऐसा कुछ है? कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस रही है फैमिली में, या फिर एक दूसरे को देख के आगे बढ़े हो, ऐसा है?
वो बचपन में बहुत होता था, where teachers used to be like, look at your sisters scoring
तो
so
मैंने
well.
टीचर्स.
हाँ, like look at your sisters, how they are doing, how are you doing? So that, and I loved everything else but studies. So I think until 10th standard, it did not hit me that I have to study. I was like, I could get away with anything through sports or through art and curricular,
Yeah.
activities. तो मेरा रुझान वही होता था. I used to be like, I'll be in the sports quota, I will be in the curriculum, like especially annual day और ये सब की भी responsibilities teachers कहती थी, I think मुक्ति आप लोग संभाल लो,
आप कर
किस गाने पे करना है, किस कॉस्ट्यूम में करना है, सेट क्या होगा, सब कुछ होगा. तो we started designing those things and we used to be best friend, even with teachers. So it was such a collaborative way that I was in BITS Pilani campus. There is a school called Birla Balika Vidyapeeth.
Okay.
So I was there for 9 years, and I remember like the whole upbringing
Yeah.
around was so competitive and comparison to hota hi tha. So it was like a mini society where I knew that I will always be compared with my sisters. And wo, like, we did not try and tell to the world that I'm this one sister, that one sister. We
Yeah.
came through our own reality shows and at different times people
Yeah.
got to know that अच्छा ये बहनें हैं. तो and then
Exactly. बाद में पता चला बहनें हैं.
yeah, and then people also started mentioning about, this one is dancing, this one is singing, what are you doing? And those things are always going to be there. I knew it क्योंकि बचपन से ही training हो गई थी mentally that comparisons are going to be there, and it's a healthy way to expect, people are expecting you to do something. It doesn't it like, you don't have to take it in a negative way, but in a very positive way that
Yeah.
वो इतनी उम्मीद रखते हैं आपसे, उन्होंने इतना प्यार दिया है, उन्होंने वोट किया है, उन्होंने आपको जिताया है एक शो. तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू अप योर गेम एंड मेक देम फील प्राउड अगेन.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you took it in a positive way, and
Yeah.
actually we are able to see that. So now we have a segment called Janta Ke Sawal. Janta ke kuch sawal hai from you, and they would love to know the answers. So
Okay.
what's your go-to song? जिस पे आप कभी भी मतलब you'll groove anytime, anywhere.
Go to song. I like Neeti Di ka song. Chali re.
Oh, you
So I
can sing
love.
more actually. एक दो
मुझे
लाइन
नहीं
और गाओ
आता
ना.
है. नहीं नहीं, सिंगर एक ही है फैमिली में.
Okay. और सब sisters में से सबसे ज्यादा close आप किसके हो? You can tell all the secrets and all.
वैसे तो नीति दी is like my godmother, so I have all the worries I come up with, I share with her, and I know that she will turn it into positive. She's that angel. Kriti Di is more to do with, managing things and keeping me childlike. Shakti Di is like a friend, I can just throw dump things and fight with her and still come back to I love you, okay, bye. Like that. So I
Okay.
think all three have different kind of love.
Yeah. Okay. And your first paycheck,
Oh, I
after coming
remember.
into this industry.
It was so funny. I remember first paycheck was one guy. There Bombay में बहुत लोग होते हैं जो even when you're crossing the road, they're like, क्या आप मॉडल हैं, क्या आप
हाँ, हाँ,
कैटलॉग
है.
शूट करेंगी. तो
In Delhi also it's happening, so it's very common, I think.
so it was so funny. My first opportunity was actually without a paycheck, but I got treated like a queen because I was 19-year-old. I did a show called I Be I Superstar for MTV. I became
Yeah.
Madhuri Dixit. तो मेरे बाल उनकी तरह कटे थे. मैंने डांस किया था, which was choreographed by Saroj ji. And
Wow.
so the set and everything from Dilshad, who used to cut Madhuri Dixit, her hair, was cutting my hair. आबूजानी संदीप खोसला ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था. आज भी है मेरे पास. मैंने अपने हल्दी में वो लहंगा पहना था देवदास का.
Wow.
Yeah, so I was treated like a queen. That was my first time that I went on screen. But first paycheck was सड़क पे क्रॉस करते हुए किसी ने बोला मैं एक डेनिम्स का आप ऐड करेंगी कैटलॉग शूट. एक ही दिन का काम है. And then I remember I took one sister along and I was like, देखते हैं क्या shoot करेंगे because I don't know. And
Yeah.
I remember he gave me 10,000 for that.
Oh, wow.
And I
That's
was
huge.
only, yeah, I was just 19. So I went on my knees and I gave it to my father that, please इसको
Wow.
बरकत में रख दो भगवान के पास because I hope and pray that I multiply this money for this house.
Yeah,
So,
and it did happen. So you
yeah,
manifested, maybe.
that's right. Yeah.
Also, who do you stalk on Instagram? I mean, what kind of content do you consume? Do you
I
watch dance videos? No, I don't think so.
dance videos a lot
You
of
do
dance videos. Yeah, dance videos, fitness videos, core workout videos.
I don't think there's a need of watching all that. You should make more to just give your fans the reality check. Ki, oh, workout karo.
No, no, no. It's for myself, because I think when you do a certain kind of workout, body doesn't react. So you
Yeah.
need to make yourself uncomfortable to kind of challenge the tendons and smaller muscles. So I look at those videos and I just try and copy certain things. So I do that a lot.
Okay. So things you would want your husband to cook for you.
He's a very good cook. He's a really artistic, exquisite in
Wow.
presenting things, and
What he
in
makes the best for you.
he once he made something on an air fryer, very very interesting. He likes Mediterranean food. He likes things जो हम the pre-cooked, half pre-cooked and half खुद से बनाए हुए. So like a patty
Okay.
kind of a thing. Or he makes really good granola. घर
Wow.
की खुद की बनाई हुई granola. A lot of things rich in dry fruits. So he presents all these things and he just adds a lot of fruits because he knows that I eat that and I enjoy eating fruits. तो वो fruit based चीजें बहुत बनाते हैं.
Wow. So thank you so much and all the very best for your projects and अभी बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा है और भी मिलता ही रहेगा and it was lovely to talk to you. It was lovely to chat with you and thank you so much again.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.